50,000 viewers tayo, nararamdaman ko. O, 6 million likes na tayo eh, oh. Parang 50,000, hindi nyo kaya yung 50,000, oh.
Ay, 50 na. Ay,
50 na? 50 na. Tingin mo. Tingnan mo nga, Lassie, tingnan mo ako na ilang likes. Tingnan mo nga yung likes. Ilan na yung likes? Sorry. Oh, 7 na.
51.
7M. Ay, lumagpas sa 51,900 viewers. Tapos, 7 million likes. 7.2 million.
May ganun ba rin?
Pagpadami ng padami.
My life has just begun. Kantahan mo naman sila.
Someone whatever I do, it's just got to be you.
Nautot ako. Yung pagsabi na, nautot ako. Parang bumuka yung wetcheme ko. Wetcheme abilitizationism. Ayan. O, tignan mo nga, ilan na tayo? 52,000 viewers with 8.2 million likes. Parang 10 million likes tayo nararamdaman. May bearing ba yan pag marami kang likes?
Oh, nakaka-boost yun ang
Sandro.
Nakaka-boost ng moral. Nakaka-boost ng moral. Wala naman pala yun. Nakaka-boost sa energy lang. Ayan na tayo. Lumuwag na, sikipan mo. Ganyan lang. To be with
Nakakaboost daw. Paglabas natin wala na yung kotse natin. Nakaboost tayo.
May 9 million likes na.
9 million likes na po. Ay, parang 10 million talaga tayo.
9.2 na. Bilis.
Oo, pero masyado tayo nag-enjoy. Baka wala namang bearing sa TikTok. Sabihin naman nagtitiktok, parang gago itong bakla to. Eh, ano naman, nakabaka 10 million ko, wala namang bearing. May bearing ba yun, guys? I wanna see your comments. May bearing ba yung mga maraming likes? Anong mangyayari?
Number 1 ka daw doon. Number 1 ka.
League something number 1.
Sa league?
Ikaw yung number 1 sa mga nagla-live.
Oh, may bearing.
Eh, ilan ba yung nagla-live?
Baka ako lang naman naka-live kasi umuulan.
Sila nga dalawa ni Eman lang.
Oh.
Kasama mo, nalungkit ko.
Popular lang po. So sisikat ako, gano'n.
Hoy, 10 million likes na ate.
10 million likes! Thank you very much. 10.2.
Alam mo, kailangan nag-i-English din tayo. Baka may mga
Parang
foreigners.
mag-50,000 viewers na tayo. Let's see if we can reach 50,000 viewers. Okay. Oo nga pala ito. Back to 50,000 na. Yeah.
Do we have foreigners in the house?
Wala naman tayo sa house. Sa tent tayo.
Do we have foreigners in the tent?
Very good.
We have foreigners outside.
Can you
just English us for us to know?
Yes, if you're here.
Yeah.
Yeah. If there are foreigners watching us right now, we want to say thank you for watching us. I'm sure you don't know us because we're from the Philippines and only Filipinos know us. But if you're still watching us and giving us sharing us your time, yeah, shout out.
Everybody say ho ho. Come on.
Everybody say baho. Ang taray naman. Ay, 11 million, 11.2 likes na. So yun nga yung tanong ko, guys, may bearing ba yun kung maraming kang likes? Wala lang. Ganun lang yung popular lang.